Megatron. Just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. Bitches be talking shit, but...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you want to be part of this family, the A-Smart family, just all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and so that you know when I post again. Let's get straight into this video. But as you can tell by the title below, this is gonna be a mukbang slash get to know me video. And I've been saying I was gonna do this for the longest. Never did it yet, but yeah, we're just gonna get into this. But hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is JD, and welcome to the channel. Make sure I hope you stay, listen to this video, watch this video, you know, hit the subscribe button, everything, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I do have, oh shoot, I do have Little Caesars. It's the leftover pizza though, so I didn't like go and buy it again, but I did buy it. Also have wings, also some boneless wings, if you can see that. And we're gonna get into this video. I have some marinara sauce in here. I got a sauce concoction in here. Before we get in this video, let me put y'all on. So, it's this right here. Y'all gotta get y'all some of these right here, because it's really good. It's really good. Well, so I'll be drinking this today. I mean, normally I just drink cranberry juice or water now, you know. Got my Wegmans cup. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Ooh. But yeah, let's get into the video. So basically, I'm gonna start off with the first thing. You know, if you pay attention to my bio, well, not the bio, but what is the description box? You can look at the description box. I tell you my age. I graduated from school this year, actually, in June. I graduated early, so I'm an early graduate. I'm 17 years old. I'll be 18 next month, December 23rd. So, yeah. That's like, yeah. But let me also, like, I really love, one of the reasons why I started YouTube was just like, I watch a lot of YouTubers on here now, and it's like, I wouldn't say it seems easy, because now that I'm doing it now, it's really not easy at all. It's a lot of work that goes into being a YouTuber and posting videos, and then the whole editing process, that's a lot also. So, but like, YouTube is like really fun for me. Like, I love sitting behind this camera, recording, stuff like that. You know, sometimes I forget to post. Like, I have so many videos I recorded, but then they never got posted on the channel, or they never will get posted on the channel. Either it's because I just don't like the way I look in the video, or it's just not good lighting, or I just don't feel like editing all that. Like, I have a tie-dye video coming. I don't know when I'm gonna drop it because I'm still editing it. It was like a long video. I was recording for about an hour, and me and my brother and sister, we were tie-dyeing and bleaching clothes. So that video is coming soon though. But it's a lot that goes into the editing process. Ooh. It's like YouTube is like my second job, basically. Even though I'm not getting paid for it yet. Hopefully I'll be getting paid for it soon. But yeah, it's like a second job, like kind of therapy. Because I can sit behind the camera and just talk. I think I might start doing like what's my mind videos or what happened in the day of the life of Jamal. I might start that. I don't know. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Also, I've seen that I posted that reaction video that Megan Thee Stallion, Thick / her freestyle reaction video, and that got like, I think last time I looked at it was 115 or 18 views just in a day. So if you guys want to see more reactions on the channel, let me know, and I'll do more reactions on the channel. I also have a truth or dare video coming also, so stay tuned for that. You know, my future career really is to become a chef. Like, also I'm gonna do cooking videos on this channel also, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, like, I want to become a chef. Go to college for culinary, become a chef, eventually open up my own restaurants or restaurants, plural. And, you know, just become a chef, own my own restaurant, do my own thing, own my own business. But I had a whole plan. The plan kind of messed up because of Corona. Like, I was supposed to graduate this year. I was going to go to culinary school in September. It was only going to take me a year to 2 years to finish it. And then, like, work at a couple restaurants or work at a couple restaurants and then, you know, get the experience. So it's not like I'm just coming straight out of college from culinary and don't got no experience. Get a little bit of experience. And by the time I'm 24, 25, I want to open up my own restaurant. But I guess it still could happen, but like, I had a whole time frame and everything, so. But like, I'm still on track, hopefully. I still want to own my own restaurant and everything, so. This breadsticks are actually good. I ain't gonna lie. Those Caesar got some good crust and they got some good breadsticks too. I hope you guys like that I Like You prank also. So if you guys want to see more pranks on this channel also, just let me know, because I don't mind doing another prank video. I'm thinking about to do a lyric prank next. So I don't know on who yet, or what song, but I'll be doing a lyric prank. Like, pranks won't be coming until I move. So it'll be soon, not soon, but like probably by March. Yeah, by March. We should be getting actual pranks. Also, it's like really hard sometimes getting out of your comfort zone to even, you know, upload these videos, because like, people do a lot. And what I had to learn was like, you doing your own YouTube channel, go ahead and post your content, whatever videos you want to do, and don't worry about whatever everybody else saying. Cause if they hating on your video, at least they got your views up. They watch the video. Okay, keep watching my videos so you can continue to hate, and I'm gonna continue to get my views. But it's like, it's a lot of content I do record that doesn't get posted because I was in that position where I just didn't like the way I looked in it, and I didn't want anybody to say anything bad about it and stuff like that. But I moved past that. I'm gonna post the video. If I want to post a video, I want to post a video. Like, so that's like one of my advices for anybody that's, you know, doing anything. Like, don't worry about what everybody else doing, or don't worry about what everybody got to say. You do you. Also, I will be back with another story time also. It's just taking me a minute to edit it. But I'll be back with another story time, so make sure you watch out for that, because it's going to be a funny one. The story time was basically, I do y'all a little sneak peek. Basically, it's just like a microwave fight, basically. You know, a lot of my story times, y'all gonna sit in the show and be like, what I feel like, he immature, he weird. It's a lot. Oh, shoot, I'm dipping the dang, yo, I just dipped a dang breadstick into the sauce concoction I was using for my wings. Go test that right. Plus, like, it's a lot. Plus it's like a lot to do. Like, I be trying to post more videos and stuff, but it's like, it's a lot doing for editing, and it's like time management, and I be always at work mainly, so. I might do a series on this channel. I don't know yet. Like, just like the Life of Jamal series, or what's going on in my day series. Like, just do it for every day. Check it out. Well, not every day, but, you know. Maybe do it like once a week or something like that. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Y'all, really, get y'all some of this. Really, get y'all some of this. It's really delicious. Just because it really hit. Especially when it's cold. I've drunk a little bit when it was hot. It's so good, but it's even better when it's cold. Excuse me. You know what? I kind of want to eat from I kind of want to try Starbucks. I do. I never had anything from Starbucks before. I also kind of want to try Chipotle and Chick-fil-A. I had Chick-fil-A before, only once. Sorry y'all, that my phone had fell and stuff happened. I had to pick back up and mount it back on the mount thing. Oh shoot. I think this is gonna be it for this video because I don't want it to be too long. And I really didn't have anything to talk about really besides new content coming out, you know, introducing people to me and who I am. Like I'm nice, funny, I got a good personality. If you get to actually meet me, like I gotta be really comfortable with you to actually even talk to you. Like I really don't like talking to people at all. So like I'm really funny. Like if my friends are watching this video, they'll let you know in the comments. Like I'm very funny, good personality, all that. And like I appreciate if you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're at 66 subscribers right now. Go ahead and share the channel with your friends and your family. And let's get these subscribers up. Continue to watch my videos. Continue to share my videos and watch them and comment and all that. I'll be seeing the comments and I'll be seeing the views and stuff, and I appreciate it. So I'm just gonna end it right here. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that Truth or Dare video. Well, not Truth or Dare. I might do a Truth or Dare video if you guys want that. But I meant to say the lie detector video, which is going to be probably dropped tomorrow. It hasn't been recorded yet, and the only reason it hasn't been recorded because I'm doing it with 3 other people, and we had to fix out like a good schedule because I be at work, the other person be at work. So, yeah. I had to make sure. So, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends and your family. And I'll see you guys in the next one, Ace Mob. Also, I forgot to say before I ended the video that starting in the next video, I'm going to start doing notification shout-outs. So if you leave a comment in the comments, you might get chosen to be in my video at the end of the video, and I'll shout you out. And I'll see you guys in the next one, Ace Mob. Peace.